Hello and welcome. My name is Maksim Kharitonov, and I am the founder and lead expert at the Human Rights, an international agency that prepares expert witness reports for asylum cases worldwide. We specialize in human rights-based risk assessment, covering all 5 grounds under the Refugee Convention, including political opinion, religion, ethnicity, membership of a particular social group, and nationality. Our reports are trusted by lawyers, courts, and immigration authorities in the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, and across Europe. Today I will focus on Yemen and the types of risks that lead many of its citizens to seek asylum in the UK and the US. Yemen is in the midst of one of the world's most severe humanitarian and human rights crises. Years of armed conflict between the Houthi movement, the internationally recognized government, and various armed groups have led to mass displacement, widespread violence, and total collapse of law and order. Civilians are frequently targeted by airstrikes, arbitrary detention, and enforced disappearances. Both Houthi forces and government-aligned militias have been implicated in torture, sexual violence, and extrajudicial killings. Freedom of expression and political dissent are virtually non-existent. Journalists, activists, and perceived critics of the authorities face harassment, arrest, or worse, especially in Houthi-controlled areas. Religious minorities, including Baha'is and Christians, are persecuted and often face detention or expulsion. There is also ongoing violence against Sunni and Shia populations depending on the controlling faction. Women and girls suffer from extreme gender-based violence, including child marriage, sexual abuse, and honor killings. Legal protection is almost entirely absent, and social norms make it nearly impossible for survivors to seek justice. LGBT individuals face life-threatening persecution. Same-sex relations are criminalized under both Houthi and government interpretations of Islamic law and can result in imprisonment or execution. LGBT Yemenis often live in hiding, vulnerable to blackmail, violence, and social exclusion. Returnees face serious risks from all sides, including detention, interrogation, and accusations of spying or treason. There are credible reports of returnees being imprisoned or disappeared shortly after arrival. So how do we prepare expert witness reports? We start with a full review of the case materials, including personal statements, supporting documents, and any previous decisions. Then we move on to in-depth research using both international and local credible sources. We combine real-time data with our knowledge of legal systems, government practices, and the specific patterns of abuse in each region. Each report is written by a dedicated country expert and reviewed by our team of legal researchers and analysts to make sure everything is clear, accurate, and relevant to the case. The final report is prepared to meet the standards of the immigration system and courts in the country where the asylum claim is made, whether that's the United Kingdom, the United States, Canada, or any country in Europe. We also use proper legal referencing, so every fact is backed by clear and trusted sources. If you're working on an asylum case right now and you want to strengthen it with solid expert evidence, just get in touch with us today. It's really easy. Just head to our website. The link is in the video description. You can also scan the QR code on your screen or email us directly at info@thehuman-rights.com. And when you reach out, you'll receive a sample report, the expert's CV, and a free consultation. We respond to all inquiries within 1 hour and deliver each report within 1 week. We also work at the minimum rate accepted under legal aid, so our services are accessible even for publicly funded cases. Our team is ready to prepare expert reports for countries across the globe. You can find the full list of regions we cover right there on our website. Thanks again for watching, and we look forward to supporting your next asylum case with the clarity, credibility, and professionalism you or your clients deserve.